Hi again. This is the master suite at 1028 Oak Ridge. I just wanted to show you guys a couple things. One, I normally call these hers and hers closets because if my wife and I were buying this, she would have all of this closet for sure. But I also noticed across the room there's another closet. So I'm not sure how much of this I would get. I might just get this section right here. Also has two closets and it has double vanity with a shower. And then a throne room. Hey, if you guys would like to see this home or get any more information for this or any other home, just let me know. Drop it in the comments. I'm happy to help any way I can.